Are you looking for an easy and quick way to delete an alarm on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through how to delete an alarm from your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the clock app on your iPhone. If you can't find it on your home screen, just swipe over to the app library and then simply search for clock. And then at the bottom, tap where it says alarm to see all of the alarms on your iPhone. So now, if you want to delete any one of these alarms, simply swipe left on the alarm that you want to delete and then tap on the delete button over here. There is another way to delete your alarms on your iPhone. Tap on Edit at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the minus button next to the alarm that you want to delete. And then tap on the delete button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.